Alright everyone, I'm going to show you how to make your own little version of Davey the Donkey. Now I sent your parents this pattern during the week, so I'm going to start by colouring in my little donkey friend. First of all, I've got just a grey pencil here. I'm going to colour him in all over. You could get more creative than me and colour him in with a different colour. It could be blue donkey or a multicoloured donkey. All sorts of colours. I'm just going to stick with the normal one for now. If you don't have a grey pencil, you could always use a lead pencil as well, because that's kind of grey colour. There we go, there's my grey donkey, all coloured in. Alright, I'm going to cut him out, and there's a little leaf as well. You might remember the leaf from our earlier story that we did on Sunday. That's the story of Jesus riding in on a donkey into Jerusalem. It might be a bit of a guess as to what the story might be about today. It's my leaf and my donkey. I'm just going to cut that little bit off there. Now, if you have wool or some felt material around at home, you could stick some wool on his mane as well to really make it pop. You could even make that a different colour too, not just black. I don't have any wool today, so I'm not going to do that bit. Alright. Now our little donkey needs some legs. So this is why we've got some pegs. I've got 2 wooden pegs here. I've already started one of them. I'm just going to get a grey texture. You could get some paint or something like that instead. And I'm just going to colour in his legs grey. Again, you could use a lead pencil for this too. I'm going to turn it over and do the other side as well. There we go. One leg done. The other leg, here we go. Flip him over to the other side of the leg. Alright, put that texture away. Now, if you want to give him feet, you could get a black texture. And now the foot end is going to be the bit that you squeeze tight. So this bottom, the top of the peg, is going to be the bottom, his feet. So I'm just going to do a little bit of black there and there for his feet, and the same for this one too. And then get your donkey, Davey the Donkey, and peg, 1 foot on, peg, the other foot on, and now you have your own little donkey. You can also attach your little leaf to him as well. So I'm just going to get a little bit of glue. Just a little bit on the end there, and put that there. So there's Davey the donkey with his leaf on the back. Done. If you like later on, you could also draw a donkey on the other side as well, so that you've got him on both sides. But that's it for now. That's Davey the donkey. Now, if you've got Davey the donkey, you might like to go grab him now to help us read the story.